Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 288 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the LA Colors highlighter stick. So I actually got this today at my Dollar Tree. I had such a successful Dollar Tree shopping day today and they had so much new makeup, so look forward to future videos with more Dollar Tree makeup products. But they had a whole little display of the LA Colors contour sticks. So they had a bunch of different colors of the contour stick, which I've actually already tried out on my channel. So I will link that video down below if you want to see it. I really liked that contour stick. But I was bummed that I wasn't able to get the highlighting stick. But then when I went there today, they had a bunch of them. So I'm very happy that I was finally able to get this. This is a new product from LA Colors. And so since I got this at the Dollar Tree, this only cost $1 and LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. Okay. So although they have a bunch of different shades of, well, I shouldn't say a bunch, a couple different shades of the contour stick, I only saw one shade for the highlighting stick. So I'm excited to see what color this actually is. But first, let's see how much product we get. Okay, so a decent amount of product. I mean, not nearly as much as I was expecting from the size of this stick, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Wow, so you can kind of see in camera, this has a very pretty champagne color. Here I can kind of show you the shine. I feel like it barely shows up on my skin tone. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the high points of my face. And you can really get precise with the application of this because it is just kind of like a chubby pencil, but I could really draw it in whatever shape I want. Wow. So I'm just going ahead and adding another layer right now. And it seems to be working really nicely, just blending it out with my finger. So this is really easy to apply, and let's see the difference with it, without it. And there is definitely a noticeable difference in glow. So I like that it's subtle. It doesn't look like a blinding shimmer, but it definitely looks like a dewy shine. Yeah, so I don't think that this is extremely pigmented, but it's definitely enough to at least be visible on the skin. And it really does look very nice on the skin since it is like a cream consistency. It looks very smooth and sits on my makeup nicely. This is really a nice shape for a nose highlight since it's very thin, as well as the inner corners. Oh, this is perfect for that because so quickly and easily, you don't even need a brush. Yeah, I really like that on my inner corners of my eyes. I feel like that it's really nice and brightening. I feel like I'm like going overboard just applying this everywhere, but you can't help it. It's just so easy to apply. I really love this. As a brow bone highlight, look at that. Okay, wow, I feel like I was able to add such gorgeous glow to my face so quickly. So I love that I didn't need to reach for a brush and go back in and reapply and dip my brush back in. This was just so quick. I just draw really quick all over my face, good to go. Minimal blending with my finger. It really doesn't get any easier than this. This is so travel friendly too. So this is probably going to be my new go-to, like throw in my purse type of highlighter that I'll bring when I'm on the go and I don't have enough time to apply my highlighter while applying my makeup, because I can just do this so quickly and easily anywhere. And I do feel like this is a pretty versatile shade because it is that champagne color. It's not too white, but it's not too dark. So I'm actually really happy with this color. I'm kind of surprised. So especially for $1, I think this is fantastic. So I highly recommend you try this if you're looking for that glow, quick and easy highlighter. And I'd love to know in the comments down below if you have any favorite $1 highlighters. I know that I have a bunch, but this is definitely now one of them. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.